Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 necklaces and earring sets, and one of them has a bracelet set that I made. Now I just went hog wild on these. It's not from a certain bead box. It's kind of like a combination of all my different bead boxes put together. Just had everything out and just started creating. So this is the first one. It's I'll just kind of show it up close. It's got, it's 4 different strands, and then I kind of connected them with, with the 2-hole bead there. And then I went separate again, and then 2-hole. And so it's just all these beads connected. And then I used this to attach it. And then I just have these 4 down here. I will put up pictures of the bust. It's a multi gemstone, multi metal necklace. So you would put it on and then it locks in the front. So I have copper, I have antique bronze, I have antique silver. I have everything on this. So I have this one. I absolutely love it. And then I made these earrings to go with it. Let me hold one up close. I had these little circular things. I don't even remember where I got them from. So some of these are Sam's bead box beads from prior months and stuff that I created. And some are other. I just didn't really go with one or the other. And then I have a 4-wrap bracelet that I did, and then I have a lobster clasp there, and then I have a little extender chain, and then I put this on the end so that you can attach it, so you can make it a little bigger if needed. So this is just, I love the way these sets turned out. I've been doing a lot of bead unboxings where I try and stick with, the certain beads of them, from the box. But this one I didn't do just anything. This is a combination of my own stash, different bead boxes. Some of the beads are from a year ago. So yeah, so this is the first set. And I love the way this is from Auntie's Beads, this big leaf. And I love the way that turned out. And then these were a gift for me from one of my friends. So yeah, so this is my first one. And then put this over here. And then this next one, put these earrings there. And this one, let me try, I don't know if the bust, it's on a bigger bust. I'm just going to kind of zoom it underneath, don't mind the fuzz. But it just kind of shows it. This black thing is so fuzzy. I'll take it off so you can see it. So this one has the heart, antique heart. And then it's these, and then there's these pieces in there, and then the bottom. Now, some of like this one could come through if you wanted to, but I don't want, whoever buys this, I don't want them to be, pulling it in and out through there, because I kind of weaved, see, I kind of did a 2-strand weave right there. And I weaved it in so that you really don't want to use that to undo it. So it stays this way. So yeah, so this is just a funky little piece here. I love the way this one turned out. And then I made these little earrings to go with it. And I love, these are rose gold hematite spacers. And I think I did get these from Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. And I love them because I've been using, you know, I do use like silver and all that, but I've been using a lot of the hematite because it doesn't tarnish. You know, because when somebody buys your stuff and, you know, you work so hard to make it, if you buy silver, certain silvers, they tarnish after a while. And then, you know, you're trying to clean it, you're trying to get in between the spaces and you can't get it totally clean. Not like if it was just a single bar bracelet where you could just take the wipe and, you know, wipe it. So, so I do use a lot of hematite, and it's nickel free. So this is the second one. I love the way this turned out. So I got this one. And then, let me put this back up on here. And then I have this one. This one's on a bust. Let me try and show you. So I did these, and then I just did this with it. So let me take this off now so I can show you. Love this big chunky boho bead. It just, so cool, so funky. It just, you know, you could like dress this up, you could dress this down. I got these little hearts on there. And then these were little gold leaves that I got from Auntie's Beads. And I hadn't used them. And I thought they were perfect here on the end of this little dangle. So I had those. And then I have these earrings that I made to go with it. And they're very lightweight. So, yeah, so these are just a few more of my creations. And like I said, I have it, the wire is folded over on there. So this is it's a thinner wire. I have 2 strands going through on each side. So then it goes down, and then when it comes down into this, when it comes out, I separated them into 4. I don't know if I'm making sense. Sometimes I'm a very visual person. Sometimes I have a lot of trouble explaining things. So it's 2 in there, you know, when I just put the 2 through 1 bead. And then when I get down to here, I separate it into 4. So, so yeah. So this is what I made. Just having a fun day in my bead room. This actually was like 3 days, I think it took me to make all these. These took a while to make, especially the other ones. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. And let me know in the comments what you think of these. I'll be interested to hear your comments from this. You can follow me on Facebook. You follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and even my Etsy store. I have all the links below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I inspired you to keep creating and making jewelry. And, you know, this is a passion, you know, just being able to take some beads and create things. I love doing this. And hopefully now, you know, with COVID kind of, you know, not really sure where this is still, but hopefully we'll have more craft shows opening up and everything, so we can kind of get back to normal. So thanks everybody for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you soon on my next video. So you have a great day.